everybody, how are you? Happy Monday, August 17th. Welcome to Gregor Speaks. Glad to see you. I hope you had a great weekend. My weekend was really good, actually, and if you saw by the title, I have a couple cool things to talk to you about. But I had a gig up in Kenosha, Wisconsin this past Saturday, and a meeting and trying to arrange some pride stuff and LGBTQ+ stuff. But while I was there, I was able to go to the farmer's market. But one place I wanted to go to that I've heard about for a long time, and it was actually on Good Morning America last week, is Frank's Diner. And I have to tell you, I went, I thought it was going to be a huge line outside, and of course me, just a single fella showing up. I waited about 15 minutes, but I sat at the counter. Here's a little video of sitting at the counter, and you can see this is where all the action is at. And what was really funny is I told the waitress, it was my first time there, and she goes, "Oh, where are you from?" I go, "Oh, around Wrigleyville in Chicago, East Lakeview." Well, next thing I know, when they served me my coffee, there was a guy on a megaphone going, "I want everybody attention, I want everybody to know we have a virgin in the house, all the way from Chicago near Wrigleyville, first time here," and everybody cheered and everything. It was actually quite funny. But this place has been around for 100 years, and some celebrities that have been there in the past, if you may recognize some of these names. The Three Stooges, I grew up with that as a kid. Bela Lugosi, the original Dracula, Mark Ruffalo plays the Hulk, and Topher Grace. There's been several others and NFL players and everything, but very organic. Like I said, been there 100 years, very organic, but you can watch everything going on, and I loved it. The food was great. Lady sitting next to me with her husband had been coming there the last 20 years. Everybody gets the garbage plate, which you got to look up. It's a variety of cheese, peppers. You can put meat in it or not. Looked great. I ended up getting a half order of biscuits and gravy with a couple eggs on it. I couldn't even finish it. So, yeah. So after that, I went to Tenuta's, which I really like, and that pretty much driving there and back. It was just a great time. And I want to go back to Frank's again, absolutely. So shout out to them for such a great time. It was wonderful. I want to go there again though. And then Sunday, I went with my friend to go to the Ravinia Festival to see the Chicago Symphony Orchestra. And I got this pulled out right now so I can read this. The conductor was awesome. His name was Earl Lee. And we saw Tchaikovsky's actually ended with the 1812 overture with cannons going off. Scared the shit out of everybody in the audience, but actual like several cannons going off. It was so moving and wonderful. And I have to tell you, I was at the Ravinia Festival a year ago, and they have done this overall multi-million-dollar renovation of the pavilion, and the seats were comfy. It just looked fabulous. So if anybody out there in Ravinia has been there or part of that group, organization, or anything, man, nice job. It was a really nice job. But good evening. Storm stayed away. We had a good time. We did a little nosh on the lawn and pasta salad and stuff that I made, and then we saw the concert and came home on the train, and just a really good evening. So thanks to my bestie Rob for those tickets and going out. It was good. Yeah, I normally don't listen to classical music, but it was, I'm sold. It was really good, and I recognized the overture and things like that. So that was my weekend. One thing I want to say right now before I let you go, because there's going to be some pictures of Frank's and also Ravinia at the very end of this, is that we've had some incredible flooding, awful flooding here in the Midwest and other parts of the area. And please think about all these folks right now recently in Indiana and lower Michigan that have lost their homes and businesses. Towns have been flooded. I mean, I saw a video this morning on the news. It's absolutely horrendous. So please keep them in your minds. Donate. If you're in the area, go help them out if you have time. Hopefully you do. Donate food, whatever you can do. We're a community. We got to be all here for, together. And these things happen. This summer has felt odd. Summer's felt off a bit. A lot of people said it doesn't feel like a summer. And I kind of agree. We've had storms, awful humidity, things like that. So today, on this Monday, not so bad outside. but that's what we've been doing. And you can see it's a little bright in here because the sun's coming through the window. Didn't really need any lighting today. So anyway, enjoy the video. Enjoy Frank Steiner pictures. Enjoy the Ravinia pictures that I took. Yeah, and that's it. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you later in the week. Thank you for checking in. Have a great day, will you? I'll see you soon. Enjoy the video.